getting ready to start laying the graphics on AFE's BMW Z4. What I did out here is a combination of cut graphics. It's a 3-layer graphic. Rather than printing it, we actually did layered material just to, let me ignore this. What we did is instead of doing the print, we wanted to hit certain colors. So what we did is we picked colors off of the 3M swatch book, exactly what they wanted. Instead of trying to make those print and work out, they wanted a specific red and some grays that we're gonna tie in later. So if you're from the print world, you'll understand it's not a printed graphic, that's a 3-layer decal, which is a little tough, not super hard. I guess if we printed it, it would have been a lot quicker, a lot easier. But like I said, we're trying to hit certain colors and I think it's gonna look good. Took a little bit more time to do. We're gonna install this decal. I will show you the process. One of the things we're running into right now is the door handle's not on, and we noticed when we put the graphic down that the graphic's gonna fall right in the door handle area. So we're gonna actually mount the door handle just to find out where everything lays, and hopefully it doesn't look crazy. A lot of times when you're doing these graphics, you wanna make sure it's not gonna conflict, especially when it's your logo. You don't want it to conflict with like a mirror, a door handle, a crazy hard body line. In this case, we really don't have a choice. So we're gonna have to just make it work and do it as best as possible. Here's the rendering here. So that's what we're trying to accomplish. If you notice in the render, it covers the door handle on both sides. So that's what we're running to here. We're gonna have to put the door handle back in place and just work with it. Busy day here at the shop. We're working on LNS. Well, the guys are working on getting LNS's car done. LNS vlogs. If you guys don't know about that one, go back and watch a couple vlogs back. You'll see what we're talking about. Almost done. There's still a lot of things to do to it. We're gonna be putting a roll car right here, a number plate here, a red mirror. There's still a lot to do to tie the design together, but kind of a concept or what it's gonna look like, kind of. I don't know if that answers your question. I got a headache, and my headache's on this side, and I pointed at this side. It's right here.
Whether you like it or not. A moment meant for us, and now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadow me, you're one. Sky is on fire, the lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired.
We got now the passenger side laid. Just trimming out everything. If you notice here, this decal falls in the area of the gas cap. So I gotta trim that out, try to make it look good.
At all? Do you think about the things we used to do?
We get a lot of people asking about this taillight overlay. When I say this taillight overlay, I mean this one right here. What we did is we left this part open, so there's no smoke film on here at all. So your brake light's not covered at all. Keeps this taillight overlay completely legal. We gave a little smoke here to the reverse light. Left this clear, smoked all of this out. Here's what the kit looks like. We do have a pre-cut for it, so it's a 2-part kit. We install this first, and then we line this on. The tools that we're going to need are gonna be clay bar, microfiber, felt edge squeegee, a sharp blade, spray bottle with water, just water only, a heat gun, and it's always nice to have a little chair. The first thing we're gonna do is clay bar the tail light off, get it nice and clean. So after I've cleaned off the light, all I'm gonna do is gonna mist the entire taillight with just water. And I'm gonna grab the overlay. The first one up is the big one. What you wanna do is you wanna be very careful when you're removing this off the backing, because what I get a lot of people doing is they'll take it off, they'll be outside, it'll blow in the wind, it'll stick to their shirt. So it's really staticky, so it's gonna wanna stick to things. So make sure you're keeping it off of anything and everything. You go to spray down the back as well. We're gonna line this bracket up with the reflectors in the light. I like to find alignment first on one side of it, and then I'll work the other way around. I just found alignment here on the bottom. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock that down so it stops moving, and I'll bring this side up and around. So what you have now is basically the flat side of the light, which is about from here that way, laid on already. What that's gonna do is it's gonna allow me to start working this way. I'm gonna use heat, and I'm gonna go after this bend here. I don't know if you can see it in the light right now, but there's a pretty aggressive bend right in this area, which makes it a little complicated to put the tint film on, but it is achievable. What you wanna do is you wanna work about 1 inch to 2 inches in. I worked about right here. I got that all locked down. And I'm just gonna continue that working down. Got to the point where the whole tail light is now smoked out. You still have your excess material, which this is all really important to have extra, so you can use this to actually pick up the material, apply a little bit of heat, and you're not actually putting your fingers where the vinyl is gonna be applied. So a lot of people ask about what's the extra material for. It's there to do the install properly. You're able to actually lift, give it a little relief, and then just push that air out. Use a little bit of heat to come back, bring the material back to place. Got rid of the bubble. With this particular taillight overlay, we use this little indentation here to actually cut it out. So you may or may not see it, but this is actually an outline around the taillight, and we'll use that as a guide to cut on. You gotta have a sharp blade, and you gotta actually not cut on the light. You use the open negative space to actually make the cut. You can actually choose to go all the way around, but what I've seen happen is you end up with the bubble right around the edge. So I'll add this pre-cut kit to the website, probably go for about 40 bucks. I would say on the complexity side, it's probably a 8 out of 10. So it is a little difficult. If you don't have vinyl experience, maybe bring it to an installer or bring it to Premium Auto Styling. We'll do it for you. But yeah, nevertheless, go to the website, premiumautostyling.com. We got a ton of different overlays on there. Some for your vehicle, hopefully, what am I saying? We're working on expanding our catalog of products. So premiumautostyling.com. Let's make it happen. Go to the website, pick up some product for your car. We will ship it out ASAP, make you happy. What's up, Antoine? What's up, man? What's up? What? You want some? Sucking dick right now, bro. What's good? Just customer sound.
So apparently I'm supposed to do an outro, and I've never done this before. This is our progress so far on the Z4. Originally, this was supposed to actually be a printed graphic. One of the main reasons we went with going and doing layers is how you see that there is a lot more vibrance in the colors there, which is something you don't typically get with printed graphics. So we went ahead and measured everything out so that we could layer it all nicely. And this is our progress so far. We do have progress on the other side as well, but we do have a lot to get done as well. We still have the bumper here. We still have stripes that are going across the hood as well as on the back. We also made some templates for the headlights, taillights, and some of the markers here. If you guys drive a Z4, hit us up. Let us know. Comment down below. We'll definitely have those available on the website as soon as they are up. There is a 200,000 subscriber giveaway. We are literally giving away an entire free car wrap, and we'll come to you anywhere you live, even if you live in Hawaii. But that's it for this vlog. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned. Have a good one.